Yossi.
Jens Witzel. Jens Witzel. Ich lerne den Amsterdam.
Ladies and gentlemen, please do remain seated with your seatbelts securely fastened until we've arrived at the final parking stand and the captain has switched off the seatbelt signs. Once the captain has got some more information for us, he will come forward over the announcement system and make an announcement to everybody. But for now, can we just thank you for your cooperation and understanding? And once again, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until we have some more information. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, on the flight deck, apologies I didn't have a chance to speak to you during everything, but the crux of it is we were heading across the Maastricht controlled airspace, and we had an indication that the cabin was starting to lose pressure, and the only thing that was left for us to do was to carry out the descent. We are in Amsterdam now, and I think Thomas is going to arrange that for you to get into the terminal. Unfortunately, because of the oxygen generators that are in the overhead, they're going to have to be replaced. So, as for your journey, I've spoken to our operators, and I'm sure already. As soon as I know anything, I'll let you know, but in the meantime, I do apologise.
Hals en groeig, hals en groeig.